Step into elegance with this beautifully designed 4-bedroom home featuring 2 primary suites, 3 full baths, and soaring 9-foot ceilings. Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with the Ron Dodge Real Estate Group, powered by RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks. Come on, let's go take a look. Nestled just minutes from Camdenton and Lebanon, the quiet paved streets are perfect for peaceful morning walks or evening strolls. Enjoy community perks including a pool, clubhouse, and community sewer system. This open concept layout boasts custom cabinetry, gleaming quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Perfect for entertaining. A second master suite offers ideal privacy for guests, making this home a haven for friends and family. The oversized garage is impressive, perfect for boat storage, a workshop, or parking for up to 5 cars. This move-in ready gem offers everything you need to start living a luxurious lifestyle. Give me a call today for your own private showing.